Hi everyone. In the previous video, we were seeing about what is PMP exam, how to prepare for the PMP exam, what are the exam content, everything we saw in the previous videos. So from these videos, we are getting into the real subject. So first, in this video, we are going to see about the project management process. So we are not covering extensively all the project management process in this video. Actually, this is the one chapter. It's like introduction to all the project management process, how the flow of the process throughout the project from initiating to closing it will be like. This is the one chapter in the Rita book itself. It was nicely explained. So I was taking the content from that book and I'm explaining you here with real-time examples. So let us go into the subject. So how we are going to move. So first we will see about like initiating process group. What are the various project management process in the initiating process group? Then we will see about the planning process group. Then we will see what are the various project management process in the executing process, and then in monitoring control process and closing process. So this constitute one chapter. Then afterwards we'll see detailing every chapters like project integration management, project scope management, and every chapter in the coming videos. In this video, just we are going to see how the project management process flow throughout the project from initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. It will give just a rough idea of how the process groups works. So in this video, we are going to see what are the various project management process in the initiating process groups. So before going to the subject, I have one question I want to ask you before. Is there any difference between client and project sponsor? Whether the client and project sponsors are one or they are different? If so, what is the difference? Please think. So I just want to tell the answer for this one. So yeah, there is difference between the client and project sponsor. Most of the people think the client and project sponsor are same, but it's not so. The project sponsor is the guy or organization who give you the money to execute the project. The client will give the money after you finishing the project. They will give you the project. The project sponsor will give you the money to execute that project. Okay. So the project sponsor and clients are different guys. The project sponsor is our guy. They will be within the organization. Maybe the organization itself sometimes act as a project sponsor. The client is the third person who is giving the project to you. So that's different. For example, like Lawson and Tubro, L&T or Strawback, they won't have the separate project sponsors like construction company. I'm saying they won't have separate project sponsor. They itself the sponsor for the project. So in that time, the project sponsor is their own organization. Okay, the client is the third party who is giving the project to Lawson Tubro or Strawback or Vinci or different kinds of construction organization. For IT industry, it is different actually. There will be separate project sponsor and maybe sometimes there will be separate project sponsor. There will be organization will be different. Customer will be different. Client will be different. The thing is different in IT industry. So I want to make things clear because it's so important in the coming slide. We need to know the difference between the project sponsor and client. So we are going to start the project management process in the initiating phase. So we will take one example and we will see each process with that example actually. So now your company won a road project which is worth $200 million. So first in initiating phase, what are the process or activity your management will carry out? You just think about it. Your organization got one project successfully for 200 million. So first steps, what are the steps they will took in initiation phase? Just think it and you write in the notebook. So what are the things coming to your mind? You just pause the video and you can write it out. Yeah. So first thing, Let us see, first thing will be to appoint the leader of the ship. That means we have to select the project manager to execute the project. So that will be the first step. So first step will be in the initiating process group is select project manager. That will be the first step. So once the project manager is selected, what he will do? He will see about the project. So what is the business case and what is the benefit management plan? Why this project was taken? How it is useful for our company? What are the benefits it's going to the company? So these are the things he will check it out. So this is the second thing he will do actually. He will check out the what is the project, what are the strategic importance to the project, align with the company strategy. What are the benefits it's going to give to the company? So those are the things he will the rate project manager will rate. So before that, we will see what is the business case, how it look like, what is benefit management plan, what are the various things will be included in the benefit management plan. That we will see in the next slides. So what is business case? So this is the definition given by the project from Bach actually. I just want you to read. I don't want to read this one. I think most of the people will not understand by seeing this definition. So most of the definition will be like this only. You will not understand when you read the first time without any example or without any explanation. So let us see with some example or with some simplicity. So business case, the purpose of the business case is it will give justification why you took the project, why we have to undertake this project. It will also, the purpose of business case is to weigh the cost of undertaking the project. What is the cost for undertaking the project against what are the benefits we are going to get once the project completed. So all those details will be included in the business case. For no organization will take the project for service. Okay, there will be certain benefits they are expecting, maybe tangible, intangible benefits they are expecting. So all those things will be included in the business case. Let us see what are the things will be included in the business case. So first thing will be strategic element. All the organization have the business strategy. Maybe within 2025 we have to achieve this many sales, this money is the profit. We have to move into the another business, maybe from road to airports. We have to go into the another sector. We have to develop the business there. We have to cut the cost by this. We have to do the advanced technologies. We have to improve the cost efficiency. So those all the strategic element will be evaluated against this project. How any of this project will satisfy this strategic element or not. Then what are the expected benefits and time scales? How when that benefits will get? That is important. Time is very important when you are expecting the benefits because it involves cost. If you are investing today, you need to expect all those interest, compound interest, everything is included in the cost. So it's important to add the time scales when that benefit is expected. Yeah, obviously cost will be included. What is the cost and return on investment? Okay, we are investing with ROI. It's important. And what are the various risks involved actually in achieving the benefits? So let's see one example how the business case looks like. It's a typical example I'm giving, but a business case normally it will go through the pages. I'm just putting in one tablet for easy understanding. So the project name, project sponsor, client, project manager, date of project approval. So these are the normal details we have to be in the business case. So how the project is contributing to the business strategy. So we have taken one road project as the example. Let us see this business case with that example itself. So how this project is going to contribute to the business strategy. So first thing is profit. we are expecting this profit will give 20 million profit. This project will give, so that we will achieve the target of 2024. So 2024, maybe we have to achieve some $200 million. That is a business strategy. All the organization have some 5 years plan, 10 years plan, 3 years plan, like that. So for those plan, whether this project is contributing or not. So that is the first thing, that contribution of profit. So next contribution from is the value analysis, because we are going to use some advanced techniques, so the cost will be reduced, cost reduction. So that is also one of the business strategy that this project is contributing. So next thing is, if you are completing this project, the same client is uh, going to release series of project in the futures. Maybe they will give the projects to us. So that may be because we have to get so many projects in the futures. Maybe that also will be included in the business strategy. We have to get at least 3 projects or 2 projects per year, something like that. Maybe if you are completing this project on time, on the cost, maybe we'll get the new project from the same client. That also the business strategy this project is contributing. So what are the benefits? Yeah, obviously increasing sales, thereby the bottom line profit, and maybe a reduction in cost by using the advanced techniques, and the opportunity of getting new projects. So these are the benefits this project is going to give. So what is the duration, what is the cost, and what is the ROI? So first year we are going to get 100 million, second year we are going to get 120 million at the end of second year. Okay, so within 2 years we are going to get our investment of 220 million actually. So what is the risk in that? So this is the example I'm just giving. So like, what are the areas this road is going to execute? There will be, we have to get them no approval from the government for soil mining and quarrying of aggregate, all those things. That is the material required for the project, because maybe that is like a wildlife zone where these activities are prohibited. We have to apply to the government authorities and they have to get the approval. Maybe it will take some time. Maybe estimated time will be 5 months. Maybe that will become the risk. That is one thing. Maybe then if it's a procurement of soil and aggregates, so some of the soil and aggregate we have to buy from the vendors, but since there was a monopoly, like 3 or 4 people only there, the rate will be somewhat high. That may be also be the risk. I'm just giving an example for you. So these are the things will be in the business case. So as I said, this will business case will provide why we are taking the project, undertaking this project, justification. So this is regarding the business case. The second one is the benefit management plan. So we know already what are the benefits we are going to get in the project, that is already explained in the business case. From the business case, the benefit management plan should be derived. So what will be there in the benefit management plan means the same description of benefit, then when that benefit is going to be delivered, and who is the owner for the ownership for the benefits. For example, what are the benefits here? We have put increasing sales. Okay, who is the profit increasing? Who is the owner? Maybe project manager. Reduction in the cost. Maybe who is the maybe deputy project manager? He is in charge, or regional manager is in charge by using it. Getting new project, maybe regional manager will be in charge. Once we get the project, these are the benefits are expected, and this is the time we are going to realize those benefits, and these are the owners, and how this benefit will be measured with the baseline. Okay, that will be obvious with baseline. While initiating the projects, what are those baseline things? Okay, this is the cost, this is the things. Okay, if you are doing completing this project, we are going to get these things. So that baseline, how to be measured, that things will be there. And assumptions and risk. Yeah, risks already there. Assumption, what are the various assumptions in determining the benefits? That also should be included in the benefit management plan. So we have seen 2 steps. First, we selected the project manager. Then the project manager looking into the business case and benefit management,